In 2022, you can make income with cryptocurrencies through affiliate marketing, cloud mining, and other methods. Cryptocurrency is half computer science and part finance, but don't let that frighten you. You don't need to be an expert to start, and it is easy. You can still earn money online in 2022 with a little luck and wise investing. Even while many individuals use cryptocurrency to pay for their purchases, it is more frequently discussed as an investment, inspiring entire websites that monitor the value of a single Bitcoin. 1. Cloud mining. The concept of cloud mining was established to allow for the mining of cryptocurrencies utilizing rented cloud computing resources without the installation or direct use of any specialized software or hardware. By registering an account and making a small fee, individuals can take part in Bitcoin mining remotely. As a result, cloud mining companies have increased mining's accessibility and profitability for a wider range of people. 2. Earn money by referring friends to affiliate programs. Numerous cryptocurrency affiliate schemes will pay you for sending new users to their website or app. Joining affiliate programs is free. You'll receive a unique URL after creating an account. You can start spreading the URL as you like on websites, blogs, forums, and social media. You will get paid every time someone uses your link to sign up or buy something. The ability to start quickly and start making money is the biggest benefit. Additionally, even after you put in all that effort, money would continue to come in for days, weeks, months, and even years. If you currently have a successful blog or website and a sizable social media following, the use of affiliate programs can be a terrific source of reliable passive income. 3. Invest and hold. This is the most typical method of using cryptocurrency to make money. The majority of investors buy cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and others and wait for their values to increase. They sell for a profit once their market prices increase. Finding more stable and volatile assets that can change in value quickly and produce consistent returns is necessary for this investing strategy. Assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum have a history of maintaining consistent price variations. As a result, they can be viewed as secure investments in this sense. However, you are free to exchange any asset you believe will increase in value. All you have to do is research every asset you buy before deciding to hold on to it. Additionally, investing in pricey assets is not necessary in order to benefit. Consider having a mix of altcoins that have a promising future value and are not simply well-liked in the exchanges. There are hundreds of minor altcoins that have reasonable price movements. 4. Trading cryptocurrency day-to-day. The similarity between trading and investing might be argued. However, their respective time horizons frequently distinguish them to some extent. Although investors may only make a small number of modifications to their portfolios each year, traders aim to turn the profit very quickly. However, just like it is with stocks or other securities, day trading can be another option to profit from cryptocurrencies. Day traders buy and sell different types of assets on the same day in an effort to make a quick profit. This is a risky tactic because it's difficult to predict how cryptocurrency values might change over the course of a day or over time. Today, you can begin day trading on any exchange. All you have to do is sign up, buy some assets, and analyze to be ready. You can also begin trading using an automated trading platform such as Bitcoin Profit, which allows users to decipher the signals emitted by trends on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies and begin to perform successfully as a small trader. Tip: if you want to be a day trader, learn how to analyze stocks using technical and fundamental methods. These are widely used to evaluate all traded assets. 5. Get a job at a cryptocurrency company. As the cryptocurrency industry has grown in popularity, so has the opportunity to work in it. You could work for any of the hundreds of cryptocurrencies, or for other companies or industries looking to capitalize on the cryptocurrency boom. Aside from developers, crypto companies must hire for all other aspects of a growing business, such as marketing, human resources, and cybersecurity. Here are some platforms that pay in digital assets for services rendered. Coinality, jobs for Bitcoin, CoinWorker,